In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a view in Airtable. To get started, open the Airtable base you want to work in, and then navigate to the specific table you want to change. This is important because views are tied to the table you're currently using, so you'll want to make sure you're in the right place before making any adjustments. Taking a moment here to confirm the correct base and table can save time later. Once you're inside the table, move to the Views section on the left side of the screen. This sidebar is where Airtable organizes the different ways you can look at the same set of records. Think of it as your control panel for changing how information is displayed without changing the underlying data itself. From there, select the view you want to use. Airtable offers several options depending on how you want to work. For example, a grid view is great for spreadsheet style organization. A calendar view helps when your records are date-based. Kanban is useful for tracking progress across stages. Gallery is ideal when visuals matter. And form view is helpful when you want to collect information in a structured way. Choose the one that best matches your workflow. If you don't already have the layout you need, click Create View to make a new one. This gives you the flexibility to build a fresh perspective on your table without affecting any existing views. Creating separate views can be especially useful if different team members need to see the same records in different ways. After choosing or creating your view, go into the View settings. This is where you can fine-tune what appears on screen. You can add filters to show only certain records, group records to organize them into sections, sort them into a helpful order, or hide fields that aren't necessary for that particular view. These settings make the view cleaner and more focused, which can make day-to-day work much easier. When everything looks the way you want, rename or save the view so it's easy to recognize later. A clear name can help you and anyone else using the base quickly understand the purpose of that view. Finally, review the view carefully to make sure it shows the correct records. Check that your filters, sorting, grouping, and visible fields all reflect what you intended. This last step helps confirm that the view is ready to use and that the information is being presented in the most useful way. And that's how to create and customize a view in Airtable.